Welcome to today's episode of Tech Talk Today, where we dive into the fascinating world of programming and technology. I'm your host, and today we're exploring the realm of command line interfaces with a special focus on Yash, a new and exciting shell. Now, before you think, oh no, not another shell, let me assure you, this one's got a twist. So, what is Yash, you may ask? Well, Yash stands for yet another shell. But don't let the name fool you. It's more than just another entry in the long list of command line shells. This one's crafted to be the most POSIX-compliant shell in the world, and it's written in C99, which makes it quite nimble. Now, for those who might not be familiar, POSIX compliance is a big deal as it means Yash follows a standard that ensures compatibility across different Unix-like systems. Imagine it as a universal language for shells. Now, I want to highlight some cool features of Yash that set it apart. For starters, it supports global aliases and arrays, which means you can set shortcuts for your commands. Very handy. It also boasts socket redirection, pipeline redirection, and process redirection. If you're scratching your head, don't worry, we'll break it down. These redirections allow you to manage data between different processes, making your command line experience more powerful. One particularly intriguing feature is the command line prediction based on your command history. Picture this. You're halfway typing your usual command, and Yash remembers it and offers you a suggestion. It's like having a helpful assistant that knows your habits. Now, how many of you have struggled with understanding fractional numbers and arithmetic within your shell? Well, Yash has got that covered too, making calculations more user-friendly. Let's get a bit more technical for a moment. If you're one of those tinkering types who loves to modify things, Yash is open source under the GNU General Public License. It's like tweaking your favorite recipe. You can really make it your own. But what's the current status of development, you might wonder? Yash is stable, and it receives maintenance updates approximately every 3 months. So it's not just a one-off project, it's actively maintained. But with all this goodness, there are some quirks to be aware of. For instance, if the input to the shell includes a null character, that's a bit of a hiccup. It can lead to ignored characters, and let's be honest, nobody wants that when they're trying to command their shell. Also, for those on Solaris, non-ASCII character handling can be dodgy in some locales. There's a workaround, but let's just say it's not the most seamless experience. Now, if you're thinking about contributing to Yash, that's encouraged. Whether through comments, suggestions, or even translations, the community behind Yash is welcoming. Before we wrap up, I want to leave you with a thought. What if the shell you use daily could not only get your work done, but also learn and adapt to your preferences? Yash is doing just that, and it opens up a world of possibilities. Thank you for joining me on this exploration of Yash today. Remember, whether you're a coding newbie or a seasoned pro, there's always something new to learn in tech. Stay curious, keep tinkering, and who knows, you might just find that the next piece of software you try could revolutionize your workflow. Catch you all next time on Tech Talk Today.